One question that I get asked most by aspiring accountants is what qualification should I study for? So today I'm going to be running through my thought process on why I decided to study CIMA as my accountancy qualification of choice. So if you are new and looking to study towards your accountancy qualification and are unsure of which accountancy qualification you are going to study, then I can assure you to stick around in this video. And we're just going to get stuck straight in. So let's go. Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Craigo and I am a fully qualified chartered accountant. On this channel I discuss all things accounting and investing, so if that is something that does sound like of interest to you, then please do make sure to hit this lovely subscribe button. But yes, today is going to be a short, simple but hopefully valuable video to you all, and I'm going to be talking through exactly why I chose to study CIMA as my accountancy qualification. And there was one overriding factor that led me to studying CIMA as my accountancy qualification, and that is the career path that I wanted to go down. You may be aware that there are two types of accountant, a financial accountant and a management accountant. And typically a financial accountant will work for a Big Four accountancy firm or become a self-employed accountant, for example, and they will put together the accounts, the books, or may even be involved with financial services such as audit for businesses. And then we have a management accountant, an area where a lot of people who are new to the accountancy profession may not be aware of. And I know for myself, I grew up thinking that accountancy was being a financial accountant, but I wasn't aware of what a management accountant essentially was. A management accountant is someone that works at a business such as Apple in the finance department and works strategically for the company to ensure the running of the business. A management accountant will be working in a finance department of that business, but working towards the goals and the objectives of that business to ensure its profitability, managing the numbers and making financial decisions. Now the financial department is a strategic function to manage the finances of the business and ensure sound decision making has been made to ensure top line growth of profit and the revenue of the business. When I had to make a decision between which accountancy qualification I wanted to study for, I chose CIMA because of the type of career that I wanted to have. I wanted to be involved in a business where I could get stuck in with the day-to-day business of that company. I could make decisions that would impact the revenue, the cost savings of that business, and work closely with our customers and our suppliers to ensure that we had a sound business model. And becoming a management accountant and studying for your CIMA qualification will give you that exact opportunity. And that is exactly why I decided to study for the CIMA qualification. In my eyes, the sexy accountant is the management accountant. The financial accountant, for me, would just be damn right dull. So my advice to you guys, if you are in the process of deciding which accountancy qualification you do want to study for, is to think about your future career and where you want to end up. Do you want to work in a financial services company such as KPMG, Deloitte, where you will be preparing accounts for businesses? You might be conducting audits on businesses on their financial statements. Or do you want to be working in a business where you are the heart of the finance function and you are, from a finance perspective, ensuring that that business is ran effectively and successfully? Which one of those areas excites you more? As I said, for me, it was management accountant. If the financial accounting side does excite you more, then I thoroughly recommend studying for ACCA or ACA. You will need to have a look at the different syllabuses, what they offer, even look at pass rates to see which one is easier to pass, and then make your decision based on which one you feel is more of an interesting qualification for yourself. Neither of those qualifications are preferred, and it may just be down to which one the business would want you to do that you're working for, or which one you would find more interesting. But certainly they're both considered the same quality and you will be able to have a fantastic career in the financial services businesses if you study for either of those qualifications. If, like me, you wanted to become a management accountant and be involved with running a business from a financial perspective, then CIMA is the one for you. As far as I'm aware, it is the only management accounting qualification, and from my experience, I thought it was fantastic, and the skills that I learned within my CIMA qualification were very transferable into the real workplace. And it makes it feel even better when things that you are doing during your standard day-to-day work is what you are learning in your CIMA qualification, which gives you an element of an understanding that you can put towards your CIMA exams. And both the experience, practical work experience, and the exams and theory that you are learning will give you a valuable, wholesome experience. I do hope this has provided you with a bit more direction towards your future career on whether you do want to be a financial accountant or a management accountant. If you would like to hear in a video in a bit more depth the differences between a financial accountant and a management accountant, please do let me know. Drop me a comment down below and I will be more than happy to explain. But that is all from me today. That is exactly why I decided to become a management accountant. If you do have any questions, as always, please feel free to comment down below or head over to my Instagram, Craigo Finance, and I'm more than happy to answer any questions you have over there. And just one final pledge, if you did enjoy this video, then please do make sure you subscribe to my channel. I will be releasing weekly and regular content on the CIMA and accounting profession. So if that is going to help aid your development and your support for you studying your qualification, please do make sure to subscribe. That is all from me today. I'll see you over in the next video. Until then, goodbye.